security is often an afterthought until it's too late. At C2 Technology Group, we understand that protecting the well-being of your people goes beyond the physical infrastructure. That's why we developed the C2 Secure Watch Plan, a long-term security solution that provides peace of mind well beyond the typical one-time security installation. The C2 Secure Watch Plan is versatile in safeguarding large facilities. Whether it's a university, government facility, hospital, or industrial site, our onboarding process identifies and addresses any security gaps or blind spots to ensure comprehensive coverage. With a user-friendly, cloud-based system, the C2 Secure Watch Plan offers instant access to footage, anytime, anywhere, enabling quick and efficient responses. With 24/7 active monitoring and continuous service, we keep your security system one step ahead, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. From detecting outages to expanding coverage, our recurring maintenance and real-time health monitoring ensure your systems remain reliable and fully operational. And with just a click, a technician will be dispatched to handle any repairs. 24/7 peace of mind. The C2 Secure Watch Plan. Monitor, maintain, and protect.